How many days can I go without opening my braid? 2 days. It's only been a day and a half. I have some more hours to go. New day, new energy. It is 1 p.m. right now and I'm going to get ice cream. Come with me. A couple of road vocabulary words to focus on would be this road that I'm on. This is a flyover. It is not a bridge, it's a flyover. And this thing right here, we call it footpath in India, but you can also call it a sidewalk, right? Bridges are different from flyovers and people keep using it interchangeably, which is not right because bridges are constructed over rivers or some kind of natural obstruction to go past it. And flyovers are constructed to declutter the traffic or to reduce the congestion on the roads. And this is a roundabout, circular road, something that we've all heard from Google Maps, isn't it? We had ice cream and then we worked a lot. This is the end of the 3-day cleaning routine for my family. My mom just got everything done. We dumped a lot of things and now it's time for buying. We obviously had some help. Some people came in to help who always come in to help during cleaning season. There's no way out there that we could have gotten so much done in just 3 days time without them. So obviously grateful. And we're gonna go out and buy some earthen lamps this evening. There is a carpet drying here. We washed a lot of things, right? So it's important to get the earthen lamps as soon as possible because on the day of Diwali or the day before the festival, the streets and the stores are so crowded, so heavily crowded. It is unbelievable, almost stifling, you know what I'm saying? So we don't want to leave anything to the last moment this year. We've made this mistake repeatedly for multiple years. We're trying to change it this time. So it is 6 p.m. right now. I was tasked to clean my room, which I did yesterday. I was supposed to reorganize my closet a little bit, my shelves, dust off my books. I did all of those things. And today, all I had to do was like a bunch of watching and motivating. My mom obviously tried to drag me in some of the cleaning chores, but you know, I had my own ways of coming out. So I'm happy. My house inside looks very bright and white. People are still like giving it the final touches, right? Just placing the furniture where it should go. And that's why I'm standing here in my balcony, in my other balcony. So the word earthen light, something that we're gonna go by, is like an absurd translation in the English language. So it is actually diya. In our language, we call it diya. And here's a picture. Because I've tried saying the word earthen light to many people from different countries, and the response is always the same kind of confusion. You know what I'm saying? They're like, oh, okay, earthen lamps. So I have a rough picture in my mind, but I don't want that. I show them a picture. Diwali is a festival of lights, and so we need it. There's like one of the basic stuff that we need in Diwali. We're gonna get it as soon as possible. Like I said, we're not gonna go out on the day of Diwali because it's going to be super crowded out there. It feels like the entire city is just on the streets. Nobody is at home, right? And again, Diwali is a festival that is known by most people across the world alike. If there's one Indian festival that is known by many people in many different countries, it is Diwali.